It's coming down. We got a few. Hey, wait. We heard though in Tennessee, if you don't like the weather, just wait a few minutes. So let's see.
Oh my goodness, turn it around.
This is cool. We're in the middle of Natchez Trace Parkway in a rainstorm. Reporting live, there's a 90% chance that it's already raining.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, had to reach for the city lights.
The big reveal. Wow!
Thank you.
Do a dance or something, entertain us. Dancing queen. Sorry, I couldn't finish because I got too excited about the donut.
Should we go over and sit on a bench? Wow.
Want some of this?
Yeah.
We're the donut fam.
The donut fam. We
Yeah.
love our donuts. Mmm.
That's good. Tastes like a churro.
It is the coziest October day. It's overcast and 65. We're in Liepers Fork right now.
Stopped at the Redbird Cafe before heading downtown, and then we're continuing on the bucket list journey. Gonna go do a fall foliage drive. We think we might be at like the peak perfectness, if that's a word.
The peak perfectness. Well, we'll see.
Look it, that's how you know it's fall.
It's fall, y'all. Ready to head downtown?
Let's do it. My favorite thing. Playing the leaves. Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
You're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow. But I'm here to hold.
Hear ye, town of Liepers Fork. I will use the fork for dinner tonight. My partner here will get it tomorrow, and he will get it Wednesday. It's closed. You tooted.
No, I didn't.
I'm lying, and I'm lying when I say I'm not afraid, but I'm trying to shelter you from pain.
I love how cute this small town is, especially in the fall.
You want to go do our fall drive and go see the bridge and everything?
Yes. You hear the rain?
Melissa's changing for our photo shoot, and it started to rain pretty good. Oh my gosh, an armadillo. I'm gonna go get him. See him? I've never seen an armadillo up close, but there's one that keeps eating, destroying our yard. So we're gonna look. I think they're like raccoons though, so I gotta be somewhat careful. Hey, your siblings are messing up my yard. It's like a kangaroo. Wow, I wish I didn't say anything. It started raining. Got another bucket list item, fall photo shoot. Let's go. We got our actress.
Model.
Model. Jungle, baby, it's coming down. All right, I should probably get the camera off. Yeah. It's coming down. We got a few. Hey, wait, let me in.
Sorry.
We heard though in Tennessee, if you don't like the weather, just wait a few minutes. So let's see.
Oh my goodness, turn it around.
This is cool. We're in the middle of Natchez Trace Parkway. In a rainstorm. Reporting live, there's a 90% chance that it's already raining. The decision has been made to go to the car. Are you ready?
Yeah, I don't know how we're both gonna fit.
No, I'm gonna go out, but I just want to make sure you're okay. Ready? This is eventful.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going for it.
Oh.
This is the most fun photo shoot I've ever had.
Ah, I don't know how to do this.
Push the button.
Where?
On your thumb.
Oh. Ah!
What are the odds, right when we get here?
That sucks.
We did it. We waited about 7 minutes, and it's now a soft drizzle.
I think
Round
it's
2.
well.
Round 2. Ready to go work it? Resetting for round 2. Let's get it. Let's do it. Let's get it. Man, you look so good. So you look so good. I'll buy whatever you're selling.
Thank you.
We got our little shelter. Oh man, well we gave it a few minutes out here and started dumping again, so we're calling it. Are we gonna go to the pumpkin patch?
I don't know if we should.
I don't kind of think we shouldn't. That means we should just get wet and play in the rain.
Look at this beautiful day. The armadillo's back.
Let's just stand here and see who comes up. Actually, I'm gonna get closer. Well,
You know, when are you ever on Natchez Trace? Is it Natchez?
nachos.
When are you ever on Natchez Trace during... What is it?
Natchez.
Natchez. When are you ever on Natchez Trace in a rainstorm during the fall? Just gotta embrace it.
Embracing.
Not the camera.
We'll see you in the next video.
Ta-ta.